We were able to take really from a franchise program and say, hey, we're going to use the same type of methodology. I always say that the same French fry you get in San Francisco, you get in Seattle, you get in Singapore. It's not about how long they fry it or how much salt, but it really was the systems that were in place. So we used that same concept to grow and stabilize USA Super Clean. Was able to eventually sell that firm, move to Phoenix, Arizona, where you now reside, and did it a second and eventually a third time. And while I was there, I was looking for a black community and ended up going to Pilgrim Rest Baptist Church, where I felt at home, and also went to a Greater Phoenix Black Chamber of Commerce event and felt like, gosh, this is some place that I could see other black business owners and also network with other individuals of like mind. And so began getting involved with the Black Chamber in Phoenix, learned as much as I could there, and then in 2007, 2008, got involved with Janet Napolitano, the previous governor there. She introduced me to then Senator Barack Obama. We know what happened with his career. And I got a phone call from a gentleman out of California who said, hey, they were trying to start a new national organization, the U.S. Black Chamber, in March of 2009. I moved myself and my two sons to Washington, D.C., and we started the U.S. Black Chamber. At the time, we had 6 Black Chambers. Today, we have over 172 Black Chambers with a membership base of over 380,000 Black-owned businesses across the country.
That is fantastic. So talk to us a bit about your role as the president and CEO of the U.S. Black Chambers.
Well, primarily, it's really to be the voice of Black-owned business. I tell the story often that when I first moved to Washington, D.C., my son and I were taking a tour of the city, a double-decker bus tour in the snow, and looked out on the license plate, and it literally reads taxation without representation. And I thought to myself, gosh, that's who black business owners have been all these decades. We've really not had anyone here representing our interests and concerns. I say that because historically, most of the programs that were created to move our agendas forward really were painted under the broad brush of minority. And I always say I'm not a minority. I'm a black man. I was black yesterday, I'll be black today, and I'll be black tomorrow. But most of the programs were created for minority issues. And when you really dissect that, it really is somewhat discomforting. And I say that because if you look at the minority spend, I know we're going to talk a little bit about DE&I under attack, but prior to President Biden being elected, we asked for 3 things. We asked for intentionality, transparency, and accountability. And we were looking for that as it related to the minority spend. When President Obama was in office, it was always a conversation about increasing the minority spend. And he had done very well under his administration in attacking and actually accomplishing those goals. But when I looked around across the country at black-owned businesses, I asking them, hey, have you experienced much of this growth? And the answer was always no. Not seen it in my community, not seen it in our chamber, not seen it in our businesses. And what we found was, for the first time in this country's history, we not demanded, but we advocated on transparency. And what we found was President Biden went to Tulsa, Oklahoma, where we have a center there at the birthplace of what we now know as the birthplace of Black Wall Street. And for the first time, he disaggregated the numbers of what was being spent by the federal government. The federal government spends $960 billion each year in annual spend. What we found was that the Asian community received 1.8% of the minority spend. So of the total spend, there's 11% that goes to minority firms, minority organization. The Asian community got 1.8% of that minority spend. The Hispanic business community received about 1.71%. And after all of the work that Black business owners, Black people, Black communities have been involved in with this country, from voting to civil rights movements to activation, we as a people of businesses received less than 1.5%, the lowest amount. And so I said, hey guys, we've got to be more intentional about what we're advocating on behalf of, and we can't let other people determine who we are. Because what we found is that white women received 78% of the minority spend. So combined with white men and white women, they're getting more than 95% of all of the federal contract dollars being awarded. So first and foremost, it's about advocacy. Thus, while we're here in Washington, D.C. But there are 4 other pillars that we also work under. The second one being access to capital. And when you ask any small business owner what their number one concern is, they will say access to capital.
Yeah.
But when you talk to a Black business owner, they will say their top 3 concerns are access to capital. From affordability, we pay twice the rate. Availability, they're usually not banks that are in our communities. And accessibility, even when they are, it's very difficult for Black business owners to access them. And so the U.S. Black Chamber has created our own access to capital portal. So you can go to our website, fill out an application, and pretty much be guaranteed some type of loan, some type of access to capital. And if not, we will work with you to improve what's needed to make sure that you get affordable, accessible, available capital. The third request most business owners are looking for is an opportunity. Hey, I want a contract. I want to get access to new customers and contracts. And so U.S. Black Chamber is really around contracting opportunities. We here in Washington, D.C., and I know myself, I speak to both federal government, public sector decision makers, and private sector companies. And usually they say, well, Ron, we do more business with Black firms, but 2 challenges, we can't find them, and they don't have the size and scale. And so the U.S. Black Chamber created our own directory so that we can remove the issue about not being able to find them. And so now you can go to usblackchambers.org or ByBlack, BYBLACK.us. And it's a directory of 35,000 or more Black-owned businesses across the country. That's free of charge for your listeners to onboard their firms, free of charge for users to be able to find those firms, and it's free of charge to be certified. Certification is very important. In today's market, if you ask any consumer, they want to know who the owner of that product and or service is. I can be certified as a woman-owned business. I can be certified as an Asian-owned business. I can be certified as a disabled veteran. Heck, I can be certified as gay and lesbian. But if I'm a Black business owner, I'm certified as a minority. That was a very challenging undergoing during the time of COVID, because there was a lot of money being promised by corporate America. Because if you remember, that was the same time after the murder of George Floyd. But firms were saying, hey, we can't identify Black-owned firms because they're all certified as minorities. There were programs that were out there that were created for Black-owned businesses, but there were other people outside of our community that were taking advantage of them because they were saying, hey, I'm a minority too. The fourth one is really around entrepreneurial training. And every month we do on average of 18 free webinars that your listeners can participate by just watching the Zoom call.
Well, I was going to ask you to talk about the USBC's commitment to supporting Black businesses, but I think that you kind of nailed it. So I appreciate.
Hopefully I did, but if there are any specifics, that is truly what and who we are. That is at the core. We are here to make sure that our communities are feeling the impact. The economy across the country is in fairly good condition, but the average size Black firm is doing less than $75,000 in annualized revenue. And so the U.S. Black Chamber is saying, we've got to make sure that our businesses have the size and scale to be able to participate in this economy.
We are here today with President and CEO of the U.S. Black Chambers Incorporated, Ron Busby Sr. Okay, so you mentioned earlier that, or you alluded to the fact that we would end up talking about DEI and the attacks on DEI. Give us your thoughts on this new buzzword, relatively speaking. It's relatively new, and the pushback, because now it's almost a partisan issue.
I speak often to audiences across the country. Many people get confused by buzzwords and, hey, is this some new topic, DE&I? And I say, well, you have to look at it from this perspective. It's not DE&I that you need to be worried that they're attacking. It's you and I. And when you make it more plain and you say, hey, look, this is an attack on you and I. This is an attack on minority businesses that have had some success. And now the other side, or there are people that are feeling like, hey, I may lose the little bit of gain that they've had historically in this country.
Sure.
There's no question that the minority community is growing at a rapid pace. And you've seen the data that says by 2043 that minorities will be the majority. And so for a lot of majority communities today, they're preparing for the future to make sure that they don't lose what they have incurred and what they have gained over the last hundreds of years in this country. I think when we as a people started attacking statues of Robert E. Lee, let's say, there was a lot of pushback on their side saying, hey, well, if they're talking about eliminating our history, then we want to eliminate their history. I personally say I wanted the Robert E. Lee statues to remain because I never want to lose their history. I always want to be able to show my sons and potential future grandchildren about what white America has done and who their historic figures are. And when you start talking about disabling them to be able to tell their history, then also you've got to be willing to be prepared to say, okay, well, that may also be an attack on our history. I believe that we are now seeing really a backlash from the election of President Obama, and many people, private and public sector folks, have put down a stake in the ground saying never again, and we want to make sure that this country continues to remain as white as always. Thus, the MAGA conversation of making America great again. And I always say, well, as a black advocate, I want America to be great as well. But the only way you're going to have a great America is when you have a great black America. And the only way you're going to have a great black America is when you have great black-owned business. And the only way you're going to have great black businesses to ensure that you have great black businesses is when you have great black chambers. And so the U.S. Black Chamber is here to fight on behalf of the attacks on DE&I. You see it coming all types of forms and fashion, from education to business opportunities to employment opportunities as well. And I think as a people, it may look like it's just coming from one side, but I really believe that this is an attack on all of this country's growth. And when we do that, we're losing our edge to fight competitively globally. We saw that when the supply chain shortage happened during COVID, it was small, minority, and particularly black-owned businesses that were able to fill the gap. And when you start taking away the programs that have allowed them to be able to compete in this country, it only harms and damages the output totally of the United States.
There's something interesting that I'm hearing, and it's the role of black businesses in society. I think that it's in many ways a mirror of the role of just, white businesses in society, but also there is another element to it because, part and parcel to our story in this country, black people's story, is, fighting for at one point equality, and now I think that the fight is shifted more toward equity. And it's interesting to hear you define the role of black businesses And once you say it out loud, I can see it clear as day. I come from an activist tradition, and so a lot of times we're focused primarily on legislation. We're focused on community organizing, things like this, and that's all well and good. But to hear you suggest the role of black businesses, and that speaks to essentially the core of much of the inequality that we see, because you're absolutely right. When black businesses do well, the black community does well, right? Black people do well. And so I'm appreciative of that perspective. I think that that's something that isn't discussed enough, and I just appreciate the perspective. So
if you really look at it from two vantage points, historically, it has been black businesses that have always been at the forefront of the civil rights movement. And historically, it has been for freedom such as education, freedom such as purchasing homes, freedom of where you can go to school, where you can vote, where you can participate. It's always been those business owners that have been there funding those causes.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And now those businesses are being under attack. The second conversation, and I know under this previous administration, under the Biden administration, we talk a lot about unemployment numbers being historically low. But they're still high in the black community, although they're lower than they've ever been. This morning, the unemployment number for black men is somewhere around 1.5 million, 1.7 million. But there are 3 million black-owned businesses. And I tell people all the time, if each one of those black businesses could hire one black person, I don't have to really worry about what's going on across the country. But we, as a community, have to be willing to support those black-owned businesses. And that may mean not asking for the discount, not asking for the homie hookup or the sister girl love, but pay the price so that that business owner can have a profit, so that they can grow, they can hire, and now that firm can grow into a profitable entity that can move an economic agenda where they can continue to support the movement.
There's a saying that is prominent, I believe it's in the Jewish community, and don't hold me to it, I don't have it in front of me, but the way it translates is that I'm going to spend with a brother or sister of my faith, my culture, even if it's more expensive, even if, whatever, I'm going to spend with them because I'm going to give them a chance to grow in their new role, in their new business. And I wish I had it, because I know I'm not translating it, I'm just pulling that from memory, but I always loved that, and I always felt like that was something that the people around me, the elders around me, were trying to instill in me. And it just, because it was so prominent in that community, it just lended itself to us borrowing that little bit of wisdom as a kind of a teachable tool. And so I appreciate that perspective around here. I have lots of friends that are very much on that support black-owned businesses, support black women-owned businesses, et cetera. And the implications of that are tremendous, because as we've seen, I've certainly seen in recent years, that's really all you need, a strong, supportive customer base to get started. And then before you know it, you have a second location and a third location, and your revenue is going up. And then what do? You invest that money right back into the community, either via jobs or by getting the right people elected or whatever it is that you need to do. I don't know why that conversation about the health of black businesses is not more prominent.
And what I want to say is the whole premise of Buy Black, BUYBLACK.US, we can't spend our way out of it, right? Mm-hmm. But we can support one another. And so our whole premise of Buy Black is that these are things that are created by black people. And it may not necessarily be a product and or service. It